Hey everyone, RJ here with CV Tech, and this is the unboxing of the iPhone 6s Plus on Straight Talk and why you should buy this now. Let's get it started. Okay, so this is the iPhone 6s Plus, like I made mention, and this is the Straight Talk / Total Wireless version, and this works on the Verizon network. Now, the reason why I say you should buy this phone right now is because of the price. The iPhone 6s is going for $149.99, and the 6s Plus you're seeing here is going for $199.99. That is at Walmart. That is for Straight Talk / Total Wireless. Now, that deal is supposed to be over May the 9th, okay? And the price will go back up to probably $299, $249, whatever the price was before it went on sale for that price. It's going to go back up. So that's starting on May the 9th. Now, it could be extended. It could last longer. It may stay the same price that it is right now. I really don't know. But shout out to Mill Hustles for letting me know about this end sale date on the iPhone 6s and 6s Plus. Be sure to go over and subscribe to his channel. I'll leave a link down below in the description to his channel. Now, the price, it could stay the same. It could go back up $100. But according to what has been told to me, May 9th is when the iPhone 6s and 6s Plus is supposed to go off sale. And $199 for the 6s Plus is a really good deal. So I'm going to go ahead and just do a little brief unboxing here. Here is the 6s Plus, and it is in the space gray version. Got your typical stuff here, and of course all your documents here with your SIM tool here, your instructions, your Apple stickers there, and all kinds of good stuff like that. So yeah, iPhone 6s Plus, going to go ahead and power it up here and get it a little bit set up. Not going to spend much time here. 6s Plus, you know, is still a very relevant phone in 2019. You know, I have a 6s, and the 6s works great. But this feels, yeah, substantially bigger than the 6s, of course. So I'm going to get it set up, and I'll come right back. Okay, so we're set up now and ready to go. Let's go ahead and peel off this plastic here. And the 6s Plus is really kind of nice. Now, the first thing I'm definitely noticing here is the size difference between the iPhone 6s, the SE, of course, you know. But to be honest, the way I feel is the Plus model. These phones here are nice. However, I like the smaller form factor. You know, like the 6s, the 6, the SE. The Plus size would be good for, you know, viewing content, videos, stuff of that nature. But yeah, just typical iPhone here. Let's go ahead here and just check and just see what version of iOS it is running. And this phone is running iOS 12.1.4. So got a little bit of updating to do there, but you know, I wanted to just kind of fill y'all in on the deal alert here, or not really a deal alert, but the deal expiring here on the iPhone 6s and iPhone 6s Plus for Straight Talk / Total Wireless. Now, prices is going to vary for Verizon prepaid, AT&T prepaid. You know, port-in prices at Metro might be better or lower. I really don't know. But if you're on Straight Talk or Total Wireless, $199 for the 6s Plus and $149 for the 6s. A really good deal there. So if this was helpful and informative in any way, hit that like button. Any questions you may have, leave it below. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit that bell for notifications. I'd appreciate it. Y'all have a good one, and thanks for watching.